Have you ever wondered how crucial your eye health is and what role vitamins play in maintaining it? Well, let's unravel this mystery together. Our eyes, like any other part of our body, require certain nutrients to function optimally. And vitamins are one of those key nutrients that help our eyes stay healthy and perform at their best. Imagine driving a car without oil or running a machine without lubrication. It's the same with our eyes. Without vitamins, they can't work as smoothly and efficiently as they should. Now, you might be wondering, which vitamins are we talking about? Well, there are 7 of them that are really crucial for our eye health. These include vitamins A, C, D, E, zinc, omega-3 fatty acids, and lutein. Each one of them has a unique role in maintaining our eye health, and we'll delve into those in the upcoming scenes. So, let's dive in and learn about the 7 vitamins that are essential for our eye health. First on our list is vitamin A, often known as the night vision vitamin. This powerhouse nutrient plays a crucial role in maintaining healthy eyesight and is particularly beneficial in enhancing night vision. Vitamin A helps the cornea, the eye's surface, function effectively, thus enabling better vision in low light. This vital vitamin is abundant in foods like carrots, sweet potatoes, and spinach. So, next time you're planning your meals, remember to include these vitamin A-rich foods. Remember, a carrot a day could keep the eye doctor away. Next up, we have vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant. This crucial nutrient is an absolute game changer for your eyes. It plays a significant role in fighting off harmful diseases, even those related to the eyes. Vitamin C also aids in the prevention of cataracts and age-related macular degeneration. Where can you find it? Look no further than your kitchen. Oranges, strawberries, and bell peppers are all brimming with vitamin C. So don't forget to add some vitamin C to your diet to keep your eyes sparkling. Third on our list is vitamin D, also known as the sunshine vitamin. It's a powerhouse, playing a vital role in eye health by reducing inflammation and improving vision. This vitamin is quite the superstar when it comes to maintaining our sight. But where can you get it? Vitamin D is generously found in foods like fish, eggs, and fortified dairy products. So the next time the sun is out, don't forget to catch some rays and eat vitamin D-rich foods for healthy eyes. Last but not least, we have vitamins E, B6, B9, and B12, all essential for our eye health. Vitamin E, a potent antioxidant, plays a significant role in protecting our eyes from harmful free radicals. It's found in abundance in foods like nuts and seeds. Then we have vitamins B6, B9, and B12. These B-complex vitamins work together to reduce inflammation in our bodies, including our eyes. They're especially known for maintaining good vision. Foods rich in these vitamins include legumes, leafy greens, and a variety of animal products. It's like a buffet of health benefits for our eyes. So, whether you're a fan of almonds, love your spinach, or can't resist a good steak, you're already on the right track. Remember, a balanced diet is one of the most effective ways to keep our eyes healthy. Adding these vitamins to your diet can truly make a difference in your eye health. Now that you know about these 7 powerful vitamins, you might be wondering how to incorporate them into your diet. A balanced diet, rich in these vitamins, is key to maintaining eye health. You can easily achieve this by adding a variety of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains to your meals. These foods are naturally packed with these eye-boosting vitamins. Remember, your eyes are a reflection of your overall health. So, eat well, see well, and live well.